Which satellite antennas for RVs are actually worth your money? Simple question, but you might be surprised by how much difference there is between them. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options to help you choose the right one. Product number 1, Digital 360 degrees antenna. First up is the Digital TV antenna for smart TV indoor. Priced at just $22.60, this antenna caught my attention with its sleek design and 3M stick base. If you want a reliable way to catch local channels while on the road, this is worth a serious look. That's crucial when you're parked in different locations, often without a clear line of sight to a tower. With a range of around 50 miles, it's perfect for those spontaneous camping trips. Plus, with over 2,900 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, other users seem to appreciate its reliability too. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it's smooth sailing. So if you're not tech savvy, this might take a little patience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, compact antenna that's easy to install. Skip this one if you need something that reaches further distances. Overall, for $22.60, it's a pretty solid value. Now, if that price point has you interested, the next option might suit you even better if you're looking for something with a bit more range. Product number 2, 5-star Yagi antenna. Next on the list is the 5-star TV antenna, priced at $49.99. What caught my attention here is its impressive 200-mile range, which is fantastic for RVers who want to catch more channels while traveling. If you want to say goodbye to cable bills and still enjoy quality programming, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Yagi design enhances signal reception, allowing it to pick up VHF and UHF channels more effectively. With an upgraded smart chip, it minimizes signal noise interference, crucial when you're parked in areas with obstacles. And with over 4,700 reviews and a rating of 4.3 stars, many users seem to be enjoying it. Now, some people mention that it can be tricky to assemble. Here's the thing though, if you can get past that initial setup, you'll benefit from a strong signal and a wide array of channels. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel to rural areas where broadcast signals are weak. Skip this one if you prefer something that's fully automated right out of the box. For $49.99, it's a good investment for those who want more channels. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want hassle-free setup. Product number 3, Winegard Dish Playmaker. Now let's talk about the Winegard PL Dish Playmaker, priced at $308.03. Its fully automatic setup caught my eye, making it ideal for RVs. If you want a truly effortless way to access Dish Network channels, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The automatic acquisition technology means you won't have to waste time manually aiming the antenna. Plus, it comes with a 25-foot coax cable, which is perfect for outdoor use. With a rating of 4.3 stars from 623 reviews, it's getting great feedback overall. However, some users felt it was a bit pricey for what it offers. Here's the thing though, if convenience is what you're after, that price can be justified. This is perfect for you if you want to spend less time setting up and more time enjoying your shows. Skip this if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. Considering its features, it's a worthwhile investment for those serious about their TV time while traveling. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile, our next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, Winegard Air 360 Plus V2S. Next up is the Winegard AR2 V2S Air 360 Plus V2S, priced at $159. I was really impressed by its all-direction reception. If you want a low-profile antenna that doesn't require aiming, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it's designed to stay on your RV while traveling, which is super convenient. With a strong rating of 4.4 stars from 629 reviews, it's proven reliable for many users. Now, some people pointed out that it may not pick up as many channels in rural areas. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly traveling through well-populated regions, this will serve you just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a low-maintenance antenna that offers solid performance. Skip this one if you need something with a longer range. For $159, it's a good compromise between performance and convenience. Alright, now if you want something that really pushes the limits of reception, then you should check out our final product. Product number 5, YinSheep 7 5000 plus miles antenna. Last but not least, we have the YinSheep 7 5000 plus miles indoor-outdoor TV antenna, priced at $39.99. What grabbed my attention is its astonishing range. If you want the ability to capture signals from long distances, this is worth a serious look. It supports 8K, 4K, 1080p formats, which is perfect if you have a new smart TV. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 65 reviews, this antenna is creating quite the buzz. However, users mentioned that it was a bit complicated to set up initially. Here's the thing though, once you get it going, the quality of the signal is really impressive. This is perfect for you if you're looking for the best range possible without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler setup process. For $39.99, it's a steal considering its performance. So to wrap it up, we've explored some fantastic options. The digital 360 degrees antenna for budget-friendly needs, the 5-star Yagi for more range, the WineGuard Dish Playmaker for ease of use, the WineGuard Air 360 Plus V2S for low-profile convenience, and finally the YinSheep 7 for maximum range. All of these antennas have their unique strengths, so choose the one that fits your RV lifestyle best.